We're on SAT Practice Test 10, Math Section 2, Question 4. What's the level of difficulty here? It's medium. And it's important to remember that it's medium, because if it looks really hard to you, it doesn't matter. It's medium. A physics class is planning an experiment about a toy rocket. The equation y equals negative 16 times x minus 5.6 squared plus 502 gives the estimated height y in feet of the toy rocket x seconds after it is launched into the air. Which of the following is the best interpretation of the vertex of the graph of the equation in the xy plane? So, very important to think about what it is we're looking for. It's the vertex. Let's start by rewriting the equation, and let's label what x and y are. What's y? It's the height. And what's x? It's seconds after launch. All right, I'm going to write A, B, C, D because I know I'm going to cross off. Best way to do this problem is just to go down and plug in the answer choices. A. This toy rocket reaches an estimated maximum height of 502 feet 16 seconds after it's launched into the air. So let's just run this equation with the numbers that we have. Y is 502, right? It's the height, equals negative 16 times, what's x? 16 minus 5.6 squared plus 502. You got to get out your calculator and do this. 16 minus 5.6, that's 10.4. You square it. You're going to get 108.16. You're going to multiply that by negative 16. And you're going to get negative 1730.56 plus 502. And you should be able to see that that's not going to equal 502. So A is gone. All right, let's look at B. This rocket reaches an estimated maximum height of 502 feet, 5.6 seconds after it's launched in the air. All right, let's try that. Y, right, that's the height, 502, equals negative 16 times x. What's x? 5.6 minus 5.6 squared plus 502. All right, this is really easy because 5.6 minus 5.6 is 0. 0 times negative 0 squared is 0, and then 0 times negative 16 is 0. So it's 502 equals 502. Hey, that's true. Guys, that's it. That's the answer. Get this right very, very quickly. C and D don't matter because you plugged in the answers and you found one that works, and you move on.